Hi friends, it's Becky, and I want to open up my April 2025 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition Best Bead Box. There are 2 monthly subscriptions available from Potomac Beads. One is this treasure box that I'm going to be opening with you. It is a selection of beads, some findings often. You'll sometimes get a tool, but they're something that you can use to be inspired as to what you're going to make, come up with your own designs. Then they've got the kit edition, which I also subscribe to, and that is 3 different projects in each subscription, and it comes with everything you need to be able to make the kit: thread, needles, or if it's a project that doesn't use a thread and needles, beading wire, or sometimes there'll be a cord for tying or macrame, depending on what type of project it is. But you'll get also detailed written instructions as well. And they usually also have a tutorial video available on YouTube. So those are the 2 different types of bead subscriptions that they have. And just this month, they started adding add-ons as something that you can, to either subscription type. You can do a metals add-on or findings add-on, so you get clasps and like ear wires and head pins and things like that. There's a crystal add-on. These are 2 separate add-ons. The crystal add-on, I don't know what types of crystals will be in there, but they mention things like bicones, some rondelles, and possibly other types of crystals. And then you've got the seed bead add-on, and then you'll get a selection of seed beads included with your subscription. And each of those is $9 each, and it's just something that you can add to your subscription to just enhance it, to make it a little bit better. All right, I'm going to open up this Potomac Beads treasure box. I'm going to sort it into my 15 grid organizer. This is where I like to keep my bead subscriptions when I open them, because even though this is an amazing box and I actually use these boxes for all sorts of things, if I keep it in the box, I won't use it because I can't see it. But I can see it through here, so we're going to get it organized. All right. Potomac Beads Violet Meadow Treasure Box. Dive into a world of endless creativity with this month's box. Enjoy the new Azuki Seed Bead 11.0 collection, offering rich hues of opaque mauve color options. Proud luxury, adorn your designs with Potomac Crystal Rose Montés. They're fast sparkle, catching light in every direction, elevating your creations to a whole new level of brilliance. And then we've got a new color of Bead Tech Knotting Cord. Oh, that's awesome that we've got that in our box. Whether you're designing for a special occasion or a daily statement, this combination of materials will inspire beauty. It's great. And then we've got a list on the other side of everything that's in here. This must be our knotting cord. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a champagne-y brown, not like a mushroomy brown. That is a nice color of cord. Well, we should do some macrame with our box this month. Let's pull out our beads. There are so many fun things in here. Looks like we've got some wood cutouts. And this is the seed bead selection. It looks like one of my, there it is, number 11, popped open a bit, but it's a good thing it's inside this baggie. But there we go. This is a seed bead selection that was included. Usually we would get like a tube of seed beads, but we get all of these different colors in this one. That's and it's already sorted and organized. But yeah, that's a really nice surprise to get string material and all of this with the bead box. All right, so let's take a look at what we've got in here. Where are our Montés or Montés? Is it Monty or Monte? Not sure. But I'm going to put a couple of these in here, one upside down and the other one not. It looks like I've got 24 of these. It is Color Shift Sphinx color. So I'm just going to tip this a little bit, turn it to see if we can get some of the different colors popping through. That's the back of it. There are 4 holes and they cross in the middle. That's how you can sew it or string it onto things. The next on the list is the Azuki Seed Bead collection. So I'm just going to move these out of the way while I open this up and get these guys herded or sorted into the little organizer bit. Looks like these lids are coming off too. Little latch bits on these sections have broken off. So I'm just going to be real careful about opening this. I think it's mostly this one color. I think everything else has mostly been staying inside of here. Mostly. I'll say mostly one more time just for good measure. Okay. Maybe it's two of them actually, because there is... Is that a mix of the two? Whoop. I'm not sure how this... See, one is this purple color, and then the other is this brownish color. Oh no, this is like the red brown, and there's a taupe brown? Or not? No. That's that lavendery color. Okay, so they won't... oh, there we go. Staying closed, maybe? Right, now these won't stay closed without one of the... Whoop. I might be moving these to a different organizing method. So that's it's not gonna work out. All right, that's fine. Just gonna scoot these guys back in here and get them out of the way. I am sorry for bonking that. But yeah, I'm gonna probably need to sort those out. I was gonna show you the different colors, but we'll move on because I'm sure we'd like to see the rest of these when we get them. It was a good idea, just didn't exactly work. I don't know. I don't know if it had a lot of knocking around in transit or something. I don't know. All right, so we looked at the knotting cord, then we've got some FASTA gemstones. Okay, let's get back on track. Here are my FASTA gemstones. They are agate, fire agate. It says fire agate. They are 3 millimeters in size. Let's get these guys closer. Doesn't say whether they're dyed or anything like that or heat treated on the documentation for this, but that is a really fun mix of beads. When I have smaller beads like this on the threads instead of plastic or wire, I tend to leave them on their strand until I go to design with them. So I'm going to put that in the organizer like that. We've got check glass tile beads. Where are my tile beads? These are giant tile beads, but I don't think they're 2-hole, are they? Let's find out. Nope. It is a single square. It looks like it's this turquoise color with like a Picasso finish. I think so. It is a very cool bead color. I think I might need to have 2 sections down for this. These are some very chunky beads. Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them. And we've got some Potomac pearls. We've got 6 millimeters. And these ones are lavender. They are really, really light lavender. This is a 16-inch strand. These crystal pearls. I might need 2 sections. We're going to find out if I can fit it all in one or not. Sometimes I like a little bit of a challenge with things like this. I can fit it all in one. Good job, me. Oh, here we go. These must be, no, these are the Athena cast peace charm signs. 2 of them. It looks like one side's a little bit rounder and one side's a little bit flatter. You can see it when the light hits it. Let's stick those right there in the front. And then we've got our flower beads. Where are my flower beads? Filigree flower. Oh, bead caps. Okay. It doesn't say bead caps on there, so I was looking for a bead. There we go. And they are antique brass plated. All right. I'll go ahead and stick them over here. That I can't just leave it in its baggie. That is a big bulky baggie. Say that 20 times fast. All right, Potomac round duo beads. We've got them right here. They're turquoise Picasso, 5 millimeter in size. I also got some free round duo beads in my packet. It looks like in this spring mix. The same beads, just totally different colors. All right, and round duos are 2-hole beads. They are round. It's like a drook, and then it's got 2 holes running through it. Let me grab a couple of these here so you can see which direction the holes go. There we go. So the holes go parallel through 2 sides of the round duo. We've got some crystal rounds that are 3 millimeters in size. That'd be these guys here. Your amethyst AB. We have a few of them on here. Then we've got our check glass heart beads. It's these guys. It's a pack of 20, and it is Ruby Vega for the color. got some check glass leaf beads. These are mint leaf. They are 10 millimeters in size. And there are 6 of them. These mint beads, mint leaf beads, they've got a hole running from the bottom through to the pointy end instead of side by side. They always feel very coniferous to me. Hold on, that's a pack of 6, but I'm counting 7. I have an extra bead. And then we've got some cathedral beads right here. They are 7 millimeters in size, and I've got 5 of them. In here, it looks like we've got this really light aqua blue glass with Picasso on the ends. I kind of love that a lot. And then we've got some check glass drop beads. That's these guys here. They're white with blue luster. This is a pack of 25. And I think we've got one more thing. It's a strand. No, 2 more things. So we've also got, no, that's a different thing altogether. That's not from this. Those were different beads. I do have my free gift, and I've got room in here that I can put these in. Maybe I will use these with some of the other bits for a springy thing, especially with like some of these purples. That would be fun. But the rest of this is a check glass roundel bead. These are 5 by 8 millimeter. And they are sort of an elongated roundel, more of an ellipse shape than a round shape on these. And I believe the glass color is like amethyst or something. Might be. Put where they belong. All right. And there we have our Violet Meadow Treasure Edition from Potomac Beads. Let's not forget our seed beads. That'll be a really fun box to be able to create with this month. I'll put a link in the description to Potomac Beads. You can follow my link and check it out, see what some of the add-ons are. It seems like it might be really fun. Possibly maybe the seed bead one would be really fun. Maybe the crystals one would be super, super fun. Because, you know, I always seem to not have enough crystals. All right, until next time, happy beading.